andyan yung Panabo City. Bago ka dito aabot sa Davao City, andito na yung mga officials ng China Road and Bridges. They are supervising the works in this area. So salamat at matutuloy din itong trabahong ito kasi nga napakahaba itong una tayong nagkaroon ng coastal road at napakahaba niya at this is the main push of the whole 18-kilometer works. The main push is the middle bridge, because that bridge there between Icolan and Bukana